For the first time, nag-open up na si Mrs. Ko, also known as Bea Alonzo, tungkol sa secret wedding nila ng businessman na si Vincent Ko. One of the best parts raw sa pagiging isang wifey ay waking up next to each other. Yan at iba pang life update kay Bea, ichichika ni Nelson Canlas.
Bea Alonzo still has that bridal glow. Exactly 1 month after her secret wedding with businessman Vincent Ko, dumalo si Bea Alonzo sa launch ng kanyang latest magazine cover at product endorsement. Kitang-kita sa kanyang mga ngiti ang kanyang kasiyahan. Sa aming chikahan, naipakita pa ni Bea ang kanyang much talked about wedding ring.
Yes, I didn't realize ang bilis how time flies, no? Ang bilis.
What has changed in 1 month?
Yung tirahan ko, iba na yung address ko. Siyempre, nag-move in na kami together, obviously. Ano ba nagbago? Right now, I'm on cloud 9. I'm very, very happy. Na-share ko yata, I'm at my happiest. And siguro yun yung ano, and siyempre, we, wake up right next to each other every day, and it's special to me.
All's well that ends well para sa Kapuso star. Pero ayon kay Bea, gusto na lang muna niyang sarilinin ang kwento kung bakit naging sikreto ang wedding nila. Ang mahalaga raw, masaya sila ngayon at nagsisimula ng kanilang bagong buhay na puno ng pagmamahalan.
It wasn't supposed to be a surprise or wala namang pasa. It wasn't supposed to be like that. It was just, it felt like it was the right thing to do. Honestly, I didn't think that it's something I really need to share. So, parang hindi naman sa pinagdadamot, but at that point, parang I felt like I just wanted it to be mine and his. I wanted it to be about us and no one else. So, yeah.
Kahit nasa wedding high pa rin, tuloy-tuloy lang ang trabaho ni Bea. Nagbigay siya ng update sa kanyang upcoming series na Whispers from Heaven.
I never really stopped shooting. So, wala,
Wala,
tuloy-tuloy na siya. Yes, so midway na kami, or more than halfway na kami. So, yeah, nag-enjoy akong katrabaho pa rin sa Direk Zig, Maricar, sila Tom.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.